क्या कर रहा है?
रिव्यू
किसका? मैं तेरी वीडियो बना रही हूँ
For what?
to irritate you.
Nothing else to do.
No. This is the poster. It's nice.
Don't irritate, yeah. Just go away.
Are you wearing shorts?
What? Of course I'm wearing shorts.
The guitar doesn't come in the video.
Just go, yeah. Come on. Don't irritate.
You know I won't go.
What's the point of this?
There is no point to it.
Make my
Oh,
video.
the flexing mic. The infamous mic.
Just go away. Just go, yeah. What is this? You've not even seen the movie. What's the point of all of this?
So what?
Stop this, yeah. Come on. Don't be a kid.
I'm not a kid. I
Just
can do
go
whatever I
away.
want.
Go away.
Are those your notes?
Can you just leave?
Hello. Mic testing. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Mic testing. Okay, I didn't change my specs. What is this? Making documentary or what?
I'm trying to vlog it.
Why? You're starting a vlogging channel?
I might.
Hey, Nona Prince behind the scenes. Really?
No,
I don't
this is a
think-
practice run. Let's see.
I don't think anyone cares about that. Okay, I'm starting. Now leave. Out.
Out. Go.
Okay, okay. I won't do anything. I'll
What?
just sit.
No, go away.
No, you continue. I'm only going to sit over here. No noise,
I
no
don't know
nothing.
anyone in the room. I'll make a video. Stop this.
Okay, I'm not doing anything. I'll just sit over here. I'm not doing anything.
One sound and you're out.
Oh,
Thumbnails time.
this is so funny. Okay.
Just stop it. Testing the mic. Looks good. Let's start. Hello guys, I'm Nona Prince and today we'll be talking about the new Hindi film which came on Netflix, AK vs AK, directed by Vikramaditya Motwani, one of my favorite directors. And the story is by Avinash Sampath and they both wrote the film together, and the dialogues were written by Anurag Kashyap. The film is starring, of course, Anil Kapoor and Anurag Kashyap. This film had some fabulous marketing. As I've said, I'm a big fan of Vikramaditya Motwani and he's one of the most versatile directors in India. All his films have been so different, and this one too. It's a dark comedy thriller. It's a twisted take on Bollywood, a great concept. You can call it experimental, and I don't think we'll ever get something like this again. And I don't think this film was even possible without Netflix. No way this was coming in theaters. No one would have supported it. No one would have given a budget for this. It's very out of the box, but it's not perfect too. Stop moving around. Let me focus. Or go out. Okay, yeah, it's not perfect. But it's not perfect too. And anything experimental is never perfect. Because it's subjective. It's polarizing. You may like or dislike depending on various reasons. So let's talk about it. First, I want to talk about cinematography in this film. It's not beautiful, right? Throughout the film, it's like shaky cam. It feels like a vlog. But cinematography doesn't need to be beautiful every damn time. It should complement the narrative, which is done in this film clearly. This film demanded a cinematography like that, a shaky camera, a feeling of a vlog, and that makes it natural. The film has long takes, it's following the characters, it has time lapse. The camera moves with the character everywhere they go, to the slums, to a party, each and every place. And that's why it feels more authentic. And you need solid planning to pull this off. And I'm surprised that this film only took 21 days to shoot. That tells you how good the pre-production was. And there's a clear distinction between the footage shot from the camera within the movie and the camera of the film itself. There's a difference between the aspect ratio. Those shots are more stable. Now, one thing I really loved in the movie were the references. We have the real Anil Kapoor and Anurag Kashyap, so we have to use all the films they have done. We have to make jokes on them. From from Nayak to Gangs of Wasseypur to even Bhavesh Joshi Superhero. There were so many great moments, and they went all out in this one with all their insults to each other. We even go into their personal homes in real life. That shows how much dedication these actors gave in. Okay. Guys, if you're finding value in this video, hit the like button, because when you do that, YouTube promote this video and more people can watch it. Also consider subscribing, hit the bell icon to get notification whenever a new video drops. Okay. Now coming to the performance, which is the most important thing in this film, because that can either make or break the film. And for me, I was not really happy with it.
Really? Sorry.
Now in this film, both Anil Kapoor and Anurag Kashyap are playing the exaggerated versions of themselves. The versions that people perceive them to be. The version people perceive them to be. The version people perceive. Yeah, this is ridiculous. The version people perceive them to be. And I can understand that, but I don't perceive them to be like that. So for me, them acting like this, it feels fake. It feels that they are acting to be someone else, and that they are not these characters. In the beginning, it takes time to settle in, but by the end, it becomes better. Now there was one sequence which Anil Kapoor just performed brilliantly. It was a chakas performance where he breaks down. But throughout the film, there were many scenes where they have to be spontaneous. They had to carry the scene forward, and in those scenes I could see that they're trying to act. They're trying to make dialogues so the story can go ahead, the plot can move ahead. And this happens mostly when there's a single take and you cannot just make an error, just have to go on, carry on, bring out some dialogues and just go ahead, move on. And those scenes break the flow of the film and I'm just out of the film. Now on the surface, this film may look like a comedy thriller, but there are a lot of layers and subtext. So let's talk about those themes. Yaar. Okay, now you can go. It's over. I'm done with making the video. Now you can go.
But what was that?
Go out.
But what was that?
Go out. Go out.
Okay. The first thing is cinema expertise. The first thing is cinema extremism. There's a scene in the film where Anurag Kashyap says that I can die for cinema. That he can go to any extent to make his film. Which he does in the film by kidnapping Sonam Kapoor. And we can see he's literally lost in cinema. That he doesn't understand what is right and wrong. He just wants to make a film that will make him remember forever. That will leave an impression in the history of cinema. That's his only aim. And we see how dangerous that is. And the film is also about, the actor versus director debate. Who is more important? In the film also this question comes up, and of course both are really important. But the film shows the reality. Bollywood, it's all about heroes. Everyone knows the hero. Even in the film, everywhere Anil Kapoor goes, people know him. But Anurag Kashyap is also accompanying him, and every time in the film someone addresses him with another director's name. Madhur Bhandarkar, Anurag Basu. That no one knows about the director, no one cares about him. And we also see how the audience is. The audience is really sadist. Because every time something happens in the film, they just remove their phones. They want a selfie, they want to make a video of it, that's it. Every damn time. They don't care what's happening with the person if he's going through something. They just want a selfie. Because we think we have made these people, right? We made them stars. So we own them. That we have a right to ask for a selfie, ask for a video anytime, anywhere. Doesn't matter what situation they are in. That we don't see them as humans. They are just some things who entertain us. And that's how we perceive Bollywood, right? As a zoo. We all know what happened some months back. We just want entertainment from them in any way possible. And we don't care about the people there because for us they are just animals. And we don't even care about them. We are just the bystanders. Now it's not easy to read all of this in the film. It's really hard. But I did it. And that's what this channel is about. That's why I make videos, to share my thoughts on the film, to share my different perspective which you may not have seen. That's the point of my videos. I want you to learn something new when you watch my videos. I want my video to add to the film. And that is the goal. Cut.
कैसी लगी?
पता नहीं कैसी थी। अच्छी थी, फनी थी, बट समझ नहीं आई मुझे। पता नहीं क्या था। क्या यार, क्या क्या सोचा था इस मूवी के लिए कि थोड़ा कुछ बनाएंगे बढ़िया, फेवरेट डायरेक्टर है अपना, है वायरल वायरल वीडियो होगी, कुछ कुछ समझ ही नहीं आई क्या करें अब। पर यार कुछ चाहिए यार, बहुत टाइम से व्यूज़ नहीं आ रहे हैं, कुछ बढ़िया चाहिए, वायरल हो, डायरेक्टर शेयर करे, कुछ ऐसा कुछ बनाते हैं। ये लोगों ने आर्टिकल भी डाल दिए, गैंग्स ऑफ सिनेपुर कहती हैं सिनेमा एक्सट्रीमिज्म। वाह भाई वाह, एक बार में इतना कुछ है, क्या ही आर्टिकल लिख रहे हैं भाई लोग। ये नथिंग बट फिल्म्स, व्हाई वाज दिस, क्या करें अब। ये सब कुछ समझ तो आया नहीं, कैसे कुछ अच्छा करें, क्या कर सकते हैं यार। इसे कहते हैं क्रिएटिव ब्लॉक।
उसके लिए क्रिएटिव होना पड़ता है ना।
क्रिएटिव तो हम हैं, कुछ तो सोच ही लेंगे। ऐसा करें, इसकी वीडियो बना दे, ये कुछ नहीं आता, कुछ समझ नहीं आया, दैट विल बी रियली गुड, लाइक द मूवी के वैसे देखे, डॉक्यूमेंट्री काइंड ऑफ बना रहे हैं व्हाइल आई एम शूटिंग द वीडियो एंड हाउ आई एम मेकिंग द रिव्यू, ऐसा कुछ कर सकते हैं।
हाँ
It will sound like कि you know I'm reviewing it as well as in a way the film is, like I did for See You Soon. That we can do, and we can pick up their words. Cinema extremism, nice word. Intellectual, will sound intellectual and all. I think that's a better idea. That's a good idea.
Thank you.
Let's do that.
Okay.